I've been vacuum sealing mason jars in my kitchen for weeks, and the difference in suction power, battery life, and ease of use between these 5 surprised me. Here's exactly what each one does, the specs that matter, and how they held up in real use. Subscribe. Let's get into it. The Attikbiz is built around one standout feature, a no-adapter universal design that fits both wide-mouth and regular-mouth mason jars directly with nothing to swap or twist on. Operation is fully automatic and one touch. Press the button once and the motor runs and stops on its own when the seal is complete. Power source, USB rechargeable battery. The kit includes 10 stainless steel lids, 5 wide-mouth, 5 regular, a bottle opener, and 12 labels, so there's nothing extra to buy. Materials are food grade throughout. In my own testing, I went straight from sealing a large jar of oats to a small spice jar without hunting for a separate adapter piece, and it worked flawlessly both times. I ran the lid lift test, removing the ring and lifting the jar by the lid alone, and it held every time. Sealing takes a bit longer than some others on this list, but for everyday pantry staples, like rice, nuts, and coffee, that extra time is a non-issue. If you want the simplest possible operation with 0 parts to lose, this is the one. Links are in the description. Go check it out. The love moment. Kit covers both jar sizes using included converter inserts. One extra piece compared to the Attikbiz, but clearly labeled and easy to keep track of. It's cordless and rechargeable via the included USB cable, with a digital display on top showing battery percentage and elapsed sealing time. Sealing takes approximately 40 seconds per jar. Height is just 3.5 inches, so it stores easily in a drawer. The kit includes 5 wide-mouth lids and 5 regular mouth lids, and it's available in multiple color options. I sealed strawberries in this and kept them refrigerated. They noticeably outlasted the ones I stored in a regular container. Coffee beans stayed aromatic for weeks after sealing. Battery life held up across several sealing sessions before needing a recharge. For a complete compact kit that's genuinely beginner-friendly, this is the one I'd recommend to someone trying jar vacuum sealing for the first time. The Snuuoby's headline spec is suction power, a rated minus 80 kilopascals vacuum pump, the strongest on this list, removing over 99% of air content, and extending food freshness up to 8 times longer according to its rated performance. Battery, 2,500 mAh, rated for 200 and plus seals per charge. Sealing time, 10 to 40 seconds depending on jar size. It includes an LED display showing battery life and elapsed time, 1 button start with automatic shutoff, and a kit with 5 regular lids, 5 wide mouth lids, 12 labels, a bottle opener, and USB charging cable. The motor is also engineered to run quieter than typical models in this category. And if this kind of hands-on product testing is what you're here for, subscribe right now. We put gear through real use every single week. In testing, the suction was strong enough that lids visibly went concave once sealing finished, a clear sign of a tight vacuum. I sealed coffee beans and 3 weeks later they still smelled freshly opened. Across more than 50 jars sealed over several weeks, the battery display never dropped below 80%. If suction strength and battery endurance are your priorities, this is the strongest performer on this list. The Wothfav is built around portability. Weight, 12.3 ounces. Materials, ABS, plastic body with silicone sealing components. It runs on a built-in rechargeable battery and fits both wide and regular mouth jars. The LED display shows work time, battery level, and charging status at a glance. Operation is one touch. Align it on the jar, press the button, and it completes sealing in about 40 seconds. The kit includes jar lids and a lid opener for daily use. I packed this one for a weekend trip after pre-sealing snacks and trail mix the night before, and everything stayed fresh and crisp the entire time without a single resealed bag. It's not the most powerful sealer here, but for travel, camping, or picnics where size and weight matter more than maximum suction, the Wothfav is the easiest one to justify packing. The UNERVER M11 runs on a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery and a fully cordless design, with an enhanced motor built for consistent sealing on dry goods. The kit is the most accessory complete on this list. 2 sizes of bottle top attachments, cup attachments for non-jar containers, a USB charging cable, and label stickers all included. It's compatible with standard wide and regular mouth mason jars and currently ships in black only. I use this one mainly for dry goods, grains, pasta, rice, stored in a slightly humid spot in my kitchen, and weeks later everything was exactly as fresh as the day I sealed it. The battery comfortably outlasted a full sealing session without needing a mid-task recharge. For anyone who wants the most complete accessory kit alongside genuinely long battery life, this is a strong one to finish on. All the links are in the description below. Attikbiz, for the simplest, no adapter operation. Love Moment for the most complete beginner kit. Snuuoby for the strongest suction and longest battery life. Wothfav for the most portable travel option. UNERVER M11 for the most accessories and reliable dry goods sealing. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back next week. We're covering the best food storage containers to pair with any of these. See you there.